A movie stunt woman drops from a helicopter that is 30 meters above the ground and moving with a constant velocity whose components are 10 meters per second upward and 15 meters per second horizontal and toward the south. Ignore air resistance. First bit. Where on the ground, relative to the position of the helicopter, when she drops, should the stunt woman have placed foam mats to break her fall? Here, the helicopter is flying. Okay, just let us consider this be the your helicopter. Okay, it is flying at a height of 30 meters from the ground. This distance is 30 meters. And its horizontal velocity is 15 meters per second. And then the vertical velocity is, this is horizontal velocity. And then the vertical velocity is, I write it down, 10 meters per second. Okay. (10 meters per second). The same I wrote here. And then as she's falling down, the astronaut is, stunt woman is falling down. I took the downward direction as negative. So height is, so she's falling down. So this h is equal to minus 30. And then initial velocity is 10 meters per second and acceleration due to gravity, again, if she's falling down, no, so that downward direction I took as a negative. So it is minus 9.8 meters per second square. Now I use the formula delta y is equal to VI by T plus half AT square. And plug in the values. Negative 30 is equal to 10 times T plus half into negative 9.8 T square. So this become minus 4.9 T square plus 10 T. And then this goes other side. So 30 is equal to 0. Simplify the quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation in T. On simplification, I get T is equal to 3.7 seconds. Now to find the horizontal distance, we have to multiply this time with the horizontal velocity. We know the horizontal velocity as the 15 meters per second because the helicopter and the woman have the same velocity. No? So she has the 15 meters per second. So 15 meters per second times 3.7 gives 55.5 meters. That means she has to keep the this one, what we call foam mats at 55.5 meters so that she will not break her limbs. Okay, that is the answer for this question. Thank you.